Stop packing boxes and use Amazon FBA to handle your eBay shipping immediately. Now, this is the tool. It's Map My Channel, mapmychannel.com. And yes, it is free. You can go to pricing. Might not look free, but I'm going to be showing you how to use it for free for a very long time. And what you need to do is just obviously create your eBay account and just make sure that you have your listing on eBay, right? This is biodegradable bags, right? You got the SKU, you got the price, everything looks nice. And then what you're going to do is make sure you have an Amazon Seller Central account and then ship your items, the same exact item, into Amazon FBA. So again, the SKU on Amazon is the same SKU on eBay. That's the most important thing. So that way, when somebody orders on eBay, Amazon knows which item to ship. So make sure the SKUs are the same and then ship some inventory into Amazon's, right? So as long as you have available inventory, what's going to happen is right when somebody places an order on eBay, right? Amazon's going to get notified, package up the product, ship it to the customer, and then they're automatically going to put the tracking number into eBay. And in order to do this, it may seem a little bit difficult, right? But it is not that difficult. What we want to do is just go to Google and type in Map My Channel, right? Click on the first one, mapmychannel.com. There it is. Go ahead and click Login. When you click Login, you're going to click Sign Up. So there's going to be a Sign Up button. Just go ahead and sign up. Once you sign up, you're going to connect your eBay account first. And then when it says number 2, connect your ERP, connect your Amazon account. That's going to be the fulfillment. And then it's going to look like this. So you're going to have any orders that come in. It's going to automatically have the eBay order ID, right? The order date, the sources from eBay, right? And you can even view the order on Amazon. But this is the tool that connects it all. So once it's set up, you're going to see the integration right here, right? And you're going to see eBay is connected to Amazon. The orders are synced, the tracking synced, right? So that way, again, when somebody orders on your eBay account, Amazon's automatically notified with this tool. Amazon automatically puts in the tracking number, right? And you can also go into settings and make sure that Amazon always ships it in a blank box, which they're going to be doing most likely. Now we're going to go to the pricing. And like I said, they do have a free plan. You want to stay on that free plan as long as possible, right? And then it's pretty much going to be free as long as possible until you have to upgrade to this plan. So far, you don't really have to upgrade unless you're getting more than 35 orders with this a month. Sometimes it doesn't even count, right? So this is a great opportunity to just get that done. Now, if you do need extra help on this, you can go to our website, which is ehpconsultinggroup.com. It's right in the description. And then we do have a course. So go to courses, services, courses, and we have a course on how to do this, right? It's just a super in-depth course. If you just don't know how to do this at all and you just need extra, pretty much step by step by step by step, we can show you. We also have one for TikTok. We're going to be making one on how to connect your Amazon to Walmart and to Etsy next, right? But the TikTok one's really good as well if you want to get on TikTok and just have Amazon do all the shipping. It's pretty much utilizing Amazon to the best of its ability to help you expand not internationally, to other platforms. But that's it for today's video. If you want more videos like this, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon or eBay seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your e-commerce journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, just contact EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.
Mm-hmm.